After open, it will look like this. This is waste bottle. This is printing paper. This is power cord. This is accessory bag. In the accessory bag, we have waste tube, certificate, sample tube and pump tube, fuse, packing list, SOP manual. Operation manual. And 3 copies of a brief operation introduction. Remove the form and take the analyzer out. Put analyzer on a firm and level table, away from direct sunlight, water source, and the wind source. This is run button. This is sampling position, flow cell, incubator, touch screen, and the printer. This is power slot, grounding point, waste port, peristaltic pump, fan, SD slot, internet port, USB port, PS2 port, parallel port, and another USB port. Power switch is on the right side. Now we install the pump tube. First, tear the tape off. Second, we connect the pump tube to the connector. Make sure the connection is airtight. Third, unlock the pump. The silicone tube must be on the right side. And last, lock the pump. Next, we plug in the power cord. And install the waste tube. And insert the waste tube into the waste bottle. To install the printing paper, first we need to confirm which side is the thermal side. We can scratch on the surface. If you can see a black mark, that's the thermal side. And we open the printer, the thermal side towards to us, and install and close. Remove the extra part. Now we install the sampling tube. First, remove the tape. And release the tube. Insert the tube through the stainless tube. adjust the length on the other side and close the cover. Check all the connections before we start. And if everything is okay, then we can start analyzer. To log in for the first time, the password is admin. After login, we will be able to see the main interface. After initialization, we need to wait until the cuvette reach 37 degrees. Now the temperature already reached 37 degrees. We can proceed to the next step, to the AD water blank, and save. Click Settings, click Water Blank AD, click Edit, and we aspirate water by clicking the pump. We can do this for several times to flush the tubes to make sure there's no air bubble inside the flow cell. After that, we click Measure. The AD value should be around 3600 plus or minus 300. Now we can see the AD value is in the range. We can click Apply to save and exit. Now we can do reagent protocol setting. In Measure, we can see there are factory preset test items. We take glucose, for example. We have 5 pages of setting, basic 1, 2, 3, and calibrate 1 and 2. Tap Edit. We can set parameter like blank type, unit, reference values, and calibration concentration. To calibrate, we have to input target value of the calibrator. In our case, the target value is 11.44. Click Edit. And leave the factor to be 0. Tap Apply to save, and tap Back, and tap Run. In the test menu, we can see the phrase is blank. We will give water to analyzer and press the gray Run button to run the blank test. After 5 seconds of delay, analyzer will read the blank and report the blank result. Now we can see the phrase is showing cal. Now analyzer is waiting for calibrator pumping in. This is prepared calibration tube. Press gray round button to aspirate. After delay and measurement, analyzer will show new calibration factor. And calibration is finished. Our new factor is 22.96. Next, we run QC. Before we test QC, we have to change the phase to QC by tapping the QC button. This is our QC solution. It is also prepared. After delay, analyzer will test QC solution. After test QC, analyzer will request us to select QC batch. Here we click Add to input QC lot number. Click OK. Now the QC result already saved in the database. Next is sample. We can see the phrase. After QC test, it automatically changed to sample. And we insert our sample tube and press the gray round button. After delay, analyzer will test our first sample. Now analyzer is asking us if we want to input the patient information. We click yes. We can input name, and click back. Now analyzer is ready for next sample. If we already finished, we can click back to quit. To check QC result, we have to enter QC menu and select the item we want to review. Then we select the lot number. In this page, we can also delete or edit lot number. Tap the data to see the details. To edit the mean value and the SD, we click Edit. In our case, this is our target value. And in this page, each one is 1 day. This is like a calendar. After we input the mean value and SD, we can see the chart, and then we can print out the chart. This is the printout of our QC chart. We only have one data, so we only have one dot on the chart. Before we shut down, we have to rinse with detergent first. Tap the rinse. And then we rinse again using water. Also tap the rinse. And at last, we tap the rinse again to remove all the liquid outside the analyzer tubing system. Now we can switch off analyzer directly.